This is my new Fit Eddie signature. Full chromoly, integrated C-post, which I actually like. It's perfect height too, for my liking. Got Odyssey V3 hub, stock. Odyssey quadrant rim. And this is 48 spline spindle, hollow. And these stock cranks. They're pretty much the Fit stock cranks, but they're like the ones that they sell aftermarket. They're like the same shit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a Fit sprocket. It's nice. Aluminum, 7075 or whatever. The strongest aluminum. I dented that today. It's not dented though, it's actually just a scratch, but it should have dented. It's a nice frame. I like it a lot. Fit FAF 2.3 tires. They're bomb as hell. I like the back because like you can make a fishtail and shit. These bars said they were 28 wide, but I feel like they're like 29, around there. The stem's nice. Reminds me of my S&M, but just a top-load version. Odyssey Bandero. Odyssey right there. To a quadrant. Got my here BMW valve stem cap. BMW representing. And I'm gonna get you guys a hub sound somehow. I'm not really prepared for this. Just give me 5 seconds. Oh, almost got that hub sound check, whatever. Upside down and shit. Sorry about that. Got my bike upside down now. Ready for the. Just mix that. Sounds like pretty good. I like it. 4-wheel video, I know. Thanks.